Hello everyone, welcome back to Lunch Tech Bites. My name is Amelia and this is your daily feed for tech. Lesson 1.7. View results in the Google form and also create a Google Sheet. Your Google form has two tabs, the questions and the responses. Select the responses tab and then view a visual representation of the data that you've collected. You can create a Google Sheet to further analyze the data. Select the icon Google Sheets. Then select Create a new spreadsheet or select an existing spreadsheet. In this example, create new spreadsheet. As you can see, all the data is organized within the Google Sheet. You can visualize the information in the data by creating graphs. Google Forms is a great digital tool. These are some creative ways to use Google Forms in the classroom. You can also use it as a way to check for student understanding. You can create evaluations, quizzes, worksheets. You can have research in surveys or creating celebration invitations. You can also create a list for book clubs recommendations and school newsletter submission requests. Students can use Google Forms in creative ways, such as collecting data, creating projects, choosing your own adventure for evaluation, or creating a story. Feel free to explore these and other options within Google Forms. Get creative, get creating, get Google Forms. Happy learning!